News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Abhishek and with me is Renu Kataria.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, IRCON International Limited, National Power Training Institute, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, Department of Water Resources, and National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project.
Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Hyderabad invites applications for the post of Assistant Professor, Associate Professor and Professor in various disciplines on regular basis from Indian nationals. Commencement of online application is 5th September 2020 and last date for online application submission is 4th October 2020. For details, please visit website www.niperhyd.ac.in or www.niperhyd.edu.in.
IRCON International Limited is a premier Schedule A infrastructure government company under the Ministry of Railways engaged in the construction of turnkey infrastructure projects in railways, highways, buildings, power sector, etc. The company has recorded a turnover of more than 5,200 crores in the year 2019-20. The company has successfully completed large value railway and highway projects over the year in India and abroad, including Malaysia, Bangladesh, Algeria, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Turkey, Nepal, etc. and recently in Sri Lanka. The company invites applications for regular post of Executive Director or Finance from the candidates working in CPSEs or central government. For eligibility criteria and application format, please see detailed advertisement on the website www.ircon.org. Last date of receipt of hard copy of applications in IRCON's office is 9th October 2020.
National Power Training Institute, an autonomous organization of Ministry of Power established as national apex body for training and human resources development in power sector, invites applications for the following post: Assistant Director on direct recruitment basis, Junior Accounts Officer, Junior Accountant and Senior Assistant on deputation or direct recruitment basis. The last date of receipt of applications is 17th November 2020. For details of the number of post, qualifications, experience, etc. and the format of application, please refer website of NPTI, that is www.npti.gov.in.
Department of Land Resources, Ministry of Rural Development invites applications to fill up one post of Research Investigator on deputation or absorption basis from officials of the central government. For eligibility criteria, that is educational qualification, experience, biodata pro forma, etc., the applicants are advised to refer to the official website of this department www.dolr.nic.in. Interested candidates may also send their application through email usadmn-dolr@gov.in as well as by post. The last date of receiving of application is within 60 days of the publication of the advertisement in the employment newspaper.
Office of Development Commissioner, SEEPZ, SEZ, Mumbai, Ministry of Commerce and Industry invites applications for filling up of 8 posts of Authorized Officer on deputation basis. The application format and details of documents to be submitted with the application can be accessed from the website www.seepz.gov.in. The last date of receipt of application through proper channel is 19th October 2020.
Before we share the next vacancy, Abhishek, let's also share the company's profile of Energy Efficiency Services Limited, EESL, with our listeners. EESL is a joint venture company of NTPC Limited, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, Power Finance Corporation Limited and Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. EESL is set up to create and sustain markets for energy efficiency in the country. EESL works closely with Bureau of Energy Efficiency and is leading the market-related activities of the National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, one of the 8 national missions under Prime Minister's National Action Plan to Climate Change. Energy Efficiency Services Limited is a super energy service company which enables consumers, industries and governments to effectively manage their energy needs through energy-efficient technologies. EESL is implementing the world's largest non-subsidized energy efficiency portfolio across sectors like lighting, buildings, e-mobility, smart metering and agriculture. EESL focuses on solution-driven innovation with no subsidy. Applications are invited from eligible executives for appointment to the post of Executive Vice Chairman for Energy Efficiency Services Limited to be posted at the corporate office of EESL presently in New Delhi. Last date for online registration and submission of applications is 30th September 2020. For details on eligibility criteria, selection mode, online application, etc., visit the website www.eeslindia.org.
Applications are invited for the post of Chairman, Kaveri Water Management Authority, a body corporate under the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, to be filled by deputation, including short-term contract. The last date for receipt of applications earlier published in Employment News editions dated 9th to 15th November 2019, 25th to 31st January 2020, 21st to 27th March 2020, 30th May to 5th June 2020 and 25th to 31st July 2020 is hereby extended up to 2nd November 2020. Persons meeting the eligibility criteria may apply for the post by sending their application duly signed in the prescribed proforma to the concerned authority and by email at usbmmowr@nic.in through proper channel. Advance copies of applications or applications received after the prescribed period or not accompanied with the requisite information or documents are liable to be rejected. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. are available at www.dopt.gov.in and www.mowr.gov.in.
National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project, NATRIP, is an important initiative in automobile sector for setting up automotive testing, homologation and R&D infrastructure in the country. NATRIP invites application from eligible service officers to fill up one post of Director, Finance and Administration on non-CSS deputation basis for a tenure of 2 years or completion of project closure activities through NATIS or NAB, whichever is earlier. The details regarding eligibility criteria, application form, address, etc. can be viewed or downloaded from the websites www.natrip.in and www.dhl.nic.in. Advance applications complete in all respect must be sent to Senior Administrative Officer by 5 p.m. on 2nd November 2020.
Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.